Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge. So now let's take a look at the Electrician contact database. First thing you're going to notice is security notice, and all this is with macros and things in Access, you could potentially spread harmful content. So it's just giving you a warning of that. But our templates are safe, so we'll just go ahead and open. Now the first thing, here's the main menu that we're presented with, and it's fairly typical of one of our templates in terms of the setup. Usually it's best to go to the maintain lists first, since all of the general types of people or things are going to be in this list. Address type. So, you're making appointments to various types of address, of business, home, billing methods, company setups, and all of these. Oh, this is actually would be your company name right here. I would say most of these are, you would change the information in there or make your own lists. So, the electric company, not to be confused with the 70s children's TV show. Okay, I'll just leave the rest of that. Okay, so that's our company. Credit card type, which credit cards do you accept? We can add lists to this too, by the way. So you can add any, and you can give that employee their own color. This is for when it shows up. So I give Bilbo Baggins this reddish pink color. He'll show up that way in calendars and things like that. And you can, by the way, you can add as many items to these lists as you want. Of course, the database, the thing about the demo is all of this will be removed when we close this database. But the full version has all the source code. It has all of the forms, so you can change these. You can add what other lists might you want here? Equipment, for example. You want to add a list of equipment to this. That could easily be done either by yourself if you have the expertise, or you can hire someone or hire us. So we can customize this. What we have in front of us is just a template. It is a bare bones kind of view of something that can be expanded and or integrated into a larger application. So I'm just going to leave these as general locations, phone number types, service types, and the default price for these three. And this is an application for electricians, but we have very similar for contact tracking. But we have very similar apps. If you're not an electrician, we have versions of this app for all sorts of businesses: doctors, dentists, lawyers, therapists, sporting clubs. We have all sorts of templates, and these can be customized any way you want. I can't emphasize that enough. Not like the shrink wrap company software where, okay, there's something new feature you like, well, you go on their message board, maybe they'll get to it in the next release. The sky is the limit. Once you have the program, you've got the source code, you can change anything you want, and you can send this to as many computers in your organization as you want, as many users. There's no limitation on that at all. I think we'll leave the maintenance list there. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we got to have some customers. I don't know if they're search customers. I don't know if there are any. Oh, okay. Well, there's some others in here, so we can add some customers here. Hmm? So this is where we would search. If we want to add a customer, we're going to add them here. And then job title. Again, these drop downs are filled, if these look familiar, these are filled with information you put in that maintenance list. Right? So because business, home, and other, because when we go back to maintenance, maintain lists, business, home, and other, address type. So you're seeing that in here. Okay, so let's add a new customer here. And so on. And this is going to be a business address. You can put a business address in there too. So a customer can have notes, call history, so you can add a call to that customer. These are the locations. This was also part of the maintenance list, so we won't do that right now. But appointment history, payment history, so you can add payments that are made. You can add appointments for this customer, or installation. You want to do an installation at location number 3, and so on. You can enter the start time. Yeah, you do have to select something from the list. If you don't want to go by the minute, by the way, we can change this, or you can change it too. Everything, and I mean everything in here, from the list of locations, how many locations, to the color of the menu bar can be customized. That's the great thing about Access. Let's just keep this 828 at 7 o'clock. Okay, that invoice amount, again, you can put notes in there. So we got the appointment set up. Payments we already saw, call history. So let's go ahead and save and close this. Close the maintenance as well. Then that's actually pretty much it, because I mean you can search customers here too. We've only entered one, so if I just do search, it'll there's 2 others in there as well. You can double click on these to edit them as well. You can export these to Excel. And that pretty much takes us through the core functionality here. And again, this can be modified and expanded. I can't emphasize that enough. Or, if you have an existing contact application, you can use any one of this and integrate it into your larger application. So the sky's the limit with these types of things. For reports, and again, you get accounts receivable, cash ledger. I don't think there's going to be anything in there right now. Right, so close that. But that's pretty much it. That is the Electrician Contact Tracking Database template. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for visiting Winning Solutions. Have a great day.